Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get into Google Classroom and access your assignments on Google Classroom. So whatever your start page is, you want to go to wakeid.wcpss.net, or you can just Google Wake ID and it comes up. You're going to select student and put in your student ID, your email. It's that first part of your email. Okay, and you're gonna log on. Okay, if you don't know your password, your teacher can reset it for you. Okay, so this is what you see as a student. So I'm currently logged in as a student. Okay, so I would go to Google Classroom, and you should see your initial, or if you have a picture, it'll show up in this corner. Okay, and then you want to click on the class that you want to go to. So for example, if you want to go to an ELA assignment, you would click on my class. This is your page for our class. Okay, you want to go, you can go to stream. It's probably the most recent thing on your stream, or you can go straight to classwork. Now, I've already deleted all of our previous classwork, so any classwork you see up here is for our new distance learning setup. So for this student, it would go and say Chapter 1, the Hope Chest. He's going to click on it, and there's an assignment right here. Okay, so he can click on it, or he can go to View Assignment. He'll click on it. Now, this one is the chapter. He'll press play. It'll read the chapter. He'll answer the questions. Then he's going to hit submit. I'm not going to hit submit because this is his assignment. Okay, when he hits submit, it'll give him a thank you for submitting. And then he's going to come back and mark it as done. Okay? So once it says mark is done, that way when he goes back to his classroom, it already says that this assignment is turned in. Okay? That's how you get to your Google Classroom. If you wanted to go from one classroom to another, let's say he's done with his ELA work and he wants to check and see what he has for math and science, he would just click right over here and change to the class that he needs to go to. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Ms. Schoenfeld or myself, and we'd be glad to help you.